world's biggest sporting event is coming to Dallas this month, and a 54-year-old American original is feeding the fans. Tony Roma's is rolling out a food truck activation at 3 of the tournament matches right here at home. Paige is live outside of our patio, on our patio, I guess I should say, outside of the studio to join in on the celebration and sample some of those baby back ribs. Save me one. Hi, Paige.
Hey, good morning to you. Good morning, Texas. We have got a big celebration. I have got Tony Roma's global CEO, Mina Haque. She's going to be cutting a very special red ribbon. Before we do the official ceremonial cut, what is the significance of this?
We are just days away from FIFA World Cup 2026, and Tony Roma's today is kicking off its official launch as one of the 3 selected vendors for 3 matches that are coming up very soon. So on June 14th, when you go to see Netherlands versus Japan, Tony Roma's vibrant truck will be outside the stadium. On June 17, there is a much anticipated match. It's England versus Croatia. Again, Tony Roma's truck will be there. And lastly, June 22nd, the world champion Argentina is playing. And we will be there to serve our delicious ribs.
All right, so are you ready? On my count, 3, 2, 1, cut that ribbon.
Yay!
All right, congratulations. This is so exciting. And I have to say, Tony Roma's has been around for 54 years, but many people may not be familiar with the deep Dallas roots that Tony Roma's has here, right here in North Texas. Tell us more.
Yeah. So Dallas Cowboys and Tony Roma's had a very strong bond, and I'll tell you what that bond is. Clint Murchison, the founder of Dallas Cowboy team, went to watch Super Bowl X in Miami and fell in love with our brand, Tony Roma's. He decided to buy the entire company, and he owned Tony Roma's for decades. So in the 90s, you might have seen many Tony Roma's in Dallas, and guess what? We are bringing it back here again soon.
Bringing it back. We love it. Those must have been some ribs to have that kind of influence. And you know what? Only 3 Dallas vendors have had this kind of honor to serve food during the June 14th, 17th, and 22nd matches. So Tony Roma's made the cut, which is significant. What does that mean?
The FIFA World Cup is a global event. It brings people from all around the world. And it just shows that this beloved American brand, which has presence in 5 continents, is desired by the fans. And FIFA Dallas recognized that and made us one of the official vendors. So we are extremely excited about it.
You know what? And it has all to do with the food. I'm going to bring in, come over here, Shane Womack. I want to talk a little bit about the food itself. So you're going to be feeding fans from dozens of different countries. What's on the menu and what's one dish that people must have to eat?
We are so excited to be part of the World Cup and to bring Tony Roma's ribs to the international community. I'm going to start with what brought us here, and that's our baby back ribs. These things are the same recipe that Chef David used 54 years ago. They are so tender, so lean, fall off the bone. They're just incredible. But that's what made the brand. That's what started us out. But this is Texas. Yeah. I'm born and raised Texan, right?
I like you already.
We like our beef. We like our beef. So we've got our beef ribs. These are our Bountiful Beef ribs. Look at those bones.
Wow.
Those are huge.
And look at the bones, but also look at the meat.
So we're going to sell these on the truck, 1 bone per order. 1 bone has about a pound of beef on it. That's what we do in Texas, right?
Everything is bigger in Texas.
In Texas, right? Everything is bigger in Texas. So that's going to be our rib selection. We've got 2 different sauces that we're going to have on the truck. Our Tony Roma's Original, which really kicked it off. And then my personal favorite, our Carolina Honeys. It's got that sweet honey and that molasses taste. It's just incredible. It caramelizes on the grill. Absolutely amazing. And then also on the truck, we're going to have a couple of burgers. The one we're showing today is our BBQ Beef Bruiser Burger, and it is stacked, right? It's got our halal patty on it. It's got cheese, bacon, pork rib meat, comes with fries or coleslaw. It's absolutely amazing. And then also our famous onion loaf that we usually have big on the tables in the restaurant. We're doing a mini version just for the World Cup. So that's our onion loaf, and it comes with our original barbecue sauce. we're just so excited to be able to share this with the world.
Well, you know what? These fans are going to be coming hungry, and the fact that the tradition of Tony Roma's is back and doing the ribs and doing them right. But you also have a very special giveaway. Mina, come back in here and tell us a little bit about this exciting giveaway that you have planned.
We have a signed jersey by Neymar, the famous Brazilian soccer player, and we are giving it away. There are 3 shirts. Please visit the Tony Roma's website to find out the rules and sign up for this giveaway.
And we've got even more exciting news, because guess what? If you are the 8th caller, you can win this signed jersey, this coveted signed jersey. Here's the information for you. You can call 888-446-8880 or 214-977-6008. Right now, as I said, be the 8th caller to win one of these jerseys. And as you heard before, to find out more information about Tony Roma's and their fantastic ribs and how you can be a part of this fantastic celebration, go to TonyRomas.com.